Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light in your Lexus RX 350. This straightforward procedure can be done right from your driver's seat, requiring no special tools or technical expertise. It's a quick way to clear that reminder after you've completed your routine service, such as an oil change. Let's get started with the first few steps to prepare your vehicle for the reset process. Now that your vehicle is prepared, let's move on to the core reset process. With the ignition completely off, press and hold the odometer or trip button firmly. Keep it pressed down as you turn the ignition back to the on position, but remember not to start the engine. You will see the display begin to change, indicating the reset is actively in progress. As you continue holding the button, carefully watch the odometer display. It will show a series of dashes that slowly disappear, eventually showing all zeros, or the maintenance light will blink and then turn off. This entire process usually takes around 10 seconds. Once the light is completely gone, you can release the button, and the reset is successfully complete. Remember, this reset is specifically for the routine maintenance reminder, typically for oil changes and other scheduled services. It is crucial to perform the actual vehicle service before clearing the light. If the light persists after trying these steps, double-check your procedure or consult your owner's manual for specific details for your particular vehicle. Keeping up with maintenance ensures your Lexus RX 350 runs smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.